Hi, Joy. Hello, Joy. Good evening, Joy. Huh, where are you now, Joy?
I will eat night,
Oh, okay, you're eating dinner outside. I
but
see.
it but it's night.
What are you having for dinner?
Chicken.
Chicken and rice? Chicken and rice? Okay, that's very yummy. Enjoy eating, Joy. Now let me share my screen. Okay, so we can start right away. And
Night.
what?
It's night.
Yes, it is, Joy. It's already 7:58. It's very dark outside now. Okay, now let me share my screen, Joy. And
Why
then
don't you take it?
what?
It you me how much is the sweater? How much you me how much is the sweater? It's $30. Oh no.
Oh no, we have to sing it. Okay, let's sing this one, Joy. How
Page
much?
29. C. Sing. How much?
Excuse me,
Me,
how
how
much
much
is
is
this
this?
sweater?
How
How much?
much?
How much?
Excuse
Excuse me, how much is this sweater?
It's $30.
$30.
Oh no!
No.
Excuse
Excuse
me,
me.
how much
Much
is
is
this coat?
How much?
how
How much?
much?
Excuse
Excuse
me,
me.
how much is this coat? It's $50.
$50.
Oh no!
No.
Excuse me,
How
how much is this pen?
How much? How much?
Excuse me, how much is this pen? It's $1.
$1.
Okay.
Okay. There you have it, Joy. That ends the singing activity, which means we can now proceed to our workbook. Okay, so in here, Joy, I want you to number it 1 to 4 in order to make a story. What happened first, Joy?
You can make a present.
Is it we can make a present? Is that one?
We don't
Is
have
that
a no we can make a present.
can you number it, Joy?
But it's very dark.
Mhm. Okay. Number it in order to make a story.
Đánh số theo thứ tự để tạo thành một câu chuyện.
What happened first? Okay. Is that one? Is that gonna be one? Let us see. Let us see.
You can make a present.
What about two? Where should we write two?
One.
You have to write 1, 2, 3, and 4, right?
We don't have a present for that.
Is that going to be 2? Okay.
That it is for you.
Okay, thank you so much, Joy. Now, 3 and
But it's
4.
nice. I
3
don't
and
see.
4, they're correct. I will give you
100
4
stars.
stars. 100 stars. Okay, 5 stars each. However,
No,
4.
I want 10 stars.
Oh, you want 10 stars? Okay, let us add 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you have 20 stars now. Now, in here, Joy, it's not 1. Okay, this is not 1. This should be 2. And this is 1. Why? Because before they agreed to make a present, they know first or they have realized, oh no, we don't have a present for that. Okay, that's why the girl suggested we can make a present. Okay, so this should be 1 and this is 2. Now, since they're done making the present, then they gave it to Dad. Dad, this is for you, and Dad appreciated that gift. Okay, now moving on, Joy, let us have unscramble. Okay, so
To
for
make a
example,
present for mom.
yes, what about for 2?
You can make a present.
Very good. 3. 3.
Mm,
Mm-hmm.
This is for mom.
Okay, it's mom.
Mom,
Mom,
mom
this is.
is for you.
Okay, and the last one, Joy.
Thank you. It's beautiful.
Okay, thank you. It's beautiful. Well done, Joy. Okay, so you are good at unscrambling already. Now let us match this. Joy, they are shopping for a birthday present. Which picture shows that? They are shopping for a birthday present. Is it picture A, B, C, or D?
See. No.
Okay. Is it?
Hey.
Are you sure? Is it A? Is it
No.
A? But it says
No.
they. They are. So it's not just one person, right? So what's your answer, Joy? For 1, they are shopping for a birthday present. Is it picture A, B, C, or D?
Hey.
Is it A? It's not
No. B. B.
A.
B. 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 B.
Not B, Joy. It's not
B.
B.
C. C.
Okay, yes, it's C. Okay, in here, that is the best or suitable picture, Joy. Now for the second one, the sweater is $30.
D. D. D.
Why did you say BD? Okay, and 3, they make a present. They make a present.
B.
Okay, yes, it's B, and their mom likes their
Almost
present.
the present A.
Yes, there you have it, Joy. Okay. Now let us proceed to this one. I want you to complete the question and, of
How
course,
much?
answer it.
How much is the book?
How much is the sweater first? Okay, how much is the sweater? It's $25. Okay, you answered this one already. How much?
How much is the book? It's $2.
Okay, yes, very good. It's $2. Okay. Now, what about for 2, Joy, here?
How much is the shoes?
How much are?
How much are these shoes? They're $55.
Okay, yes, very good. Joy, there, $55. And for?
Hmm. How much is this
How much?
pencil?
Not is this, Joy. Not is this. We have pencils, not pencil. How much
How much is the
are?
how much are I don't know
How much are these
things
pencils?
pencil.
How much are these pencils, Joy?
They they $6.
Okay, yes, very good. There, $6. There you have it. Now, let us talk about you, Joy. What presents do you like?
I like shoes.
Oh, you like shoes. I like shoes. Okay, just shoes? Now, what presents can you make, Joy?
I don't know.
What? Wait, let me translate it.
I can make a car.
Yes, that's right. I can make a birthday card. Yes, indeed, Joy, you can. Thank you, Joy. Now let us proceed to another lesson. We have here illnesses, Joy. Now let us watch the video first, and of course, we have here a short quiz that you have to answer
Oh,
while watching. Let us start now, okay? Okay.
This is Jo. She's a cook. She makes food and works at a restaurant. But she isn't at the restaurant today. She's sick. She's seeing the doctor. What's the matter with her? She has a fever and a headache. The doctor talks to her. She has a cold. This is Susan.
not
She's
me.
a cashier.
She is
She works at the supermarket. But she isn't at the supermarket today. She's sick. What's the matter with her? She has a stomach ache. The doctor
I don't know.
helps sick people. Where does he work? He works at the hospital. He works with many people. Who works at the hospital? Nurses work at the hospital. What do the nurses do? The
I don't
nurses
know.
help
don't
sick people
today.
too.
You don't know too?
This is a
Okay.
surgeon. He works at the hospital. The
No, I don't
surgeon
know. I
helps
don't
sick
know.
people too.
I
Doctors,
don't
nurses, and
I
surgeons
don't know.
all work in
We're
the
still watching the
hospital,
video,
and
Joy.
they all help sick people.
Okay, that ends the video presentation, Joy. Now, what about for 2? Okay, so what does Joe do? She is a cook, right? But now Joe is not at the restaurant, Joy. So who helps Joe today? Is it the cashier or the doctor?
A doctor.
Okay, let us put a tick here and let us see. Okay, you get it correctly, Joy. Thank you so much for that. And now we'll have these four
Nice.
illnesses.
Yes.
What?
But it's night. I don't see it.
Your what?
It's night. I don't see it.
Yes, you can see it, Joy, unless there's light. Now,
You see it.
let us have this one. Joy, can you tell me what's the matter with him? What's the matter with him?
Oh,
Okay, he has a cold. He has a cold. What's the matter with her?
she has a fever.
Fever. Yes, fever. What's the matter with him?
Stomach.
He has a stomach ache. Okay. Yes, and what's the matter with her,
Headache.
Joy? She has a she has a
Headache.
Yeah, she has a headache. Okay, now again we have cold, fever, stomachache, and headache. Joy, let us now have this one. Okay, can you read?
Matt is sick. What's the matter with him? He has a cold. He eats soup. Major is sick.
Maggie,
What's the matter? Because she has a fever. The doctor can help her. This is nice. What's the matter with him? He had a stomach ache. He isn't at school today.
very
He
good.
is
And
very. She's sleeping. What's the matter with her? She has a headache.
okay, yes, well read, Joy. Thank you so much for that. Now, can you tell me again?
But it's black.
What's the matter? What's the matter with Maggie, Joy? What's
But
the
it's not.
matter? What's the matter with Maggie?
She had a fever.
What's the matter with Kelly?
Where is Karen? She
Here.
she has a headache.
Very good. What's the matter with Nick?
He has a stomach
Stomachache.
ache.
Okay, and what's the matter with Matt? What's the matter with Matt?
She has a fever.
Okay, yes, very good. He has indeed a cold. Okay, he has a cold, Joy. Now let us have this one. Can you tell me again who has a cold? Is it Nick or Matt? Can you still remember it?
Matt.
Okay, let's encircle Matt. Who has a headache?
Karen.
Who has a stomach ache?
Karen.
Kelly?
Nick.
Okay, Nick. And who has a fever? Who has a fever?
Maggie.
Okay, it's Maggie. Now in here, Joy, the one who has a fever is Maggie, right? Which means, Joy, who has a headache?
Mm. Was
Okay, it's Kelly. Okay, so
Kelly.
yes. So Matt is sick. They are all sick. Joy, Matt is sick. He has a cold. And this one is correct. Wait, let me. Where is my tick? Okay. So yes, that is right. And Kelly too. What's the matter with her? She has a headache. Nick has a stomach ache and Maggie has a fever. Now, let us. Yes, you got it all correctly, Joy. Now, so moving on here. Look at the picture and fill in the chart. Like, for example, what's the matter with him? He has a
Was a
fever.
fever.
Yes. What about for the second picture, Joy? Look at her.
She has a fever.
She has a fever too. Are you sure? She is holding her tummy. She's holding her stomach.
She is
Yes, they are all sick, Joy. They are all sick. But what's the
cold.
matter? Okay, she has a cold. Are you sure?
No.
She is holding her stomach, which means what's wrong with her?
She has a star.
She has a, is it cold, stomach ache, fever, or headache? Look at her.
She has a stomach.
Stomach ache. Yes, she has a stomach ache. Joy, she's holding her tummy. Okay, now, next one. What's the matter with him?
He had a headache.
Very good. He has a headache. What's the matter with her?
She has a she has a cold.
She has a cold.
No.
She has a thermometer in her mouth. Joy, thermometer.
She has a fever.
Okay, yes, she has a fever. Okay, now what about the boy right here? What's the matter with him?
He, he, is-
He has,
he has a stomach ache.
yes, stomach ache. Now, next one, what's the matter with her?
He has a cold.
Okay, yes, she has a cold. Next one, Joy, what's the matter with him?
He, he is he is
He
he,
has,
he has a fever.
is it fever?
He
He
has
has a,
a cold.
yes, he has a cold too, just like the girl next to her. And the last one, what's the matter with her?
There.
What's the matter with her? She has a,
He, he ha, she has a headache.
yes, a headache. Great job, Joy. Thank you. Next one now. In here, I want you to encircle it, Joy. What's the matter with him? Can you look at
I don't, oh,
Mhm. Can you?
I don't see it.
You don't see it? You have to find it. You have to
But-
find it.
2 and 4.
Yeah, you have to find it all. You have to find cold, headache, fever, and stomach ache. Like this one, see? Headache. Okay, headache. That is picture 3. This one,
Where?
headache.
2. But it 2.
What two?
There.
No, this one is not headache. This is fever.
Okay.
This one is cold and stomach ache.
Fever. Fever. Daddy. Fever.
Can you see it or no?
I don't see it.
Oh, you can see it. Even cold. Just 4 letters. Cold.
3. 1. 3. 2. Oh, it's not easy.
It's not easy. See, we have here stomach ache. We have here cold. What about fever? Fever.
Yes.
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 It's
Um,
it's in here. Okay, I will let since I told you the answers already, you have to answer it again tomorrow, okay? So
Yes.
that would be all it for our class tonight. So, thank
So,
you. Goodbye.
so,
Good night. Good night.